Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. E143. So for today's video, we are going to learn, or we are going to have a basic idea or basic concept about the congruent triangles. Congruent triangles. Congruence of triangles. So we have here objectives. At the end of this, we recognize the congruent triangles. We prove and identify the congruent triangles rules. Congruent triangles. So as we observe in the picture, we have identical twin. Okay, so makita natin na sa picture na mayroong kambal. Okay? So dito magsisimula ang concept ng congruent triangles. Congruent triangles. Identical twins have the exact same size and shape. We instantly recognize that the two people are exactly the same. Of course. So, diba? So, when two items have the exact same size and shape, we say that they are congruent. Okay? So, dalawang bagay, kapag pareha sila ng size, pati ng shape, ibig sabihin they are congruent. Okay? Gaya ng, for instance, kambal. Okay, so this presentation is all about the congruent triangles. Example groups of triangles which have the exact same size and shape. Congruent triangles. In the real world, congruent triangles are used in construction when we need to reinforce structures so that they are strong and stable and do not bend or buckle in strong winds or when under load. So, ito ang gamit ng congruent triangles. So, congruent triangles, identical triangles have all three sides and all three angles exactly the same sizes. Okay, so ibig sabihin, identical triangles, tandaan na ang identical triangles ay lahat ng three sides or lahat ng sides as well as lahat ng angles are exactly the same sizes. So, as we observe in the picture, there are two triangles. We have the left side and the right side. So, they are exactly the same sizes and, of course, the same angles. 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 9 centimeters. So, we have the angles 60 or 35 degrees, 60 degrees, and 85 degrees. If we gave several people 3 sticks, 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 9 centimeters long, they would each only be able to make exact same triangles. Of course, diba? Kapag nagbigay tayo ng several people ng 3 sticks, which is with the measures of 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters long, so makaka-create sila ng exact same triangle kung i-form nila. Congruent triangles. Congruent triangles do not have to be in the same orientation or position. They only have to be identical in size and shape. So, tandaan natin na congruent triangles do not have to be in the same orientation or position. So, hindi ibig sabihin na parehas na or yung isa lang ang position, masasabi natin na congruent ay isa lang ang position. So, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang upside down, for instance, ang isa up or ang isa pagilid, kanyan. Okay? So, gaya na nakikita natin na triangles in the left side and the right side. So, the green triangle on the right, okay, kung kita natin yung green triangle dito, is an upside down version. Okay, upside down version siya ng pink triangle. So, ibig sabihin, pink triangle yung nasa left side. They are both the same size and shape. Okay, so, congruent triangles. Identical twins have over 1,000 body parts which are exactly the same. However, we only have to check a few key items to tell that they are congruent. For congruent triangles, it turns out that we do not actually have to check that all three angles and all three sides to prove that they are identical. Okay? So, there are shortcut rules which we can use. Ito na yung mga rules. Gaya ng SSS, which is side-side, side rule. Two triangles are congruent if all three sides of the triangles are equal in length. Ibig sabihin, ang dalawang triangles are congruent kapag lahat ng sides, all three sides are equal in length, equal in measure. So, gaya ng example natin, we have in the triangle below, we have two triangles. So, gaya pa rin ng kanina na example, we have 5 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 7 centimeters. So, any triangle with sides of 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 9 centimeters long can only be one specific shape. So, in that shape, the angles will be specific values. So, tandaan again, two triangles are congruent if all three sides of the triangles are equal in length. So, ibig sabihin, minsan nakabase rin tayo or hindi lang yung titingnan natin yung measure, yung number. Triangles can have markings on their sides. So, pwede nating i-mark siya to indicate that the pairs of the sides are the same length or parehas ng measure. The AAS rule can be applied. Gaya niyan. Okay, so ang mark, for instance, i-mark natin, we have 1, then 2, then 3. So, lahat ng 3 na yan, lahat ng 1 na yan, 2 na yan, ibig sabihin parehas sila ng length or measure. Okay, so next, congruency symbols. Triangles are labeled with letters and special symbols used. So, nilalagyan natin ng pangalan or labeled with letters ang triangles. Ibig sabihin, nilalagyan natin ng gaya niyan. Big letter of our caps lock. We have ABC and DFE triangle. So, AB, okay, we have AB. Tingnan natin, we have the AB is equal to DE. Yung sa baba, side AB, then DE, they are equal. And BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF. Therefore, triangle ABC is equally congruent to triangle DEF by SSS rule. Congruency notation. We need to be careful when leveling when orientation is different. We have two triangles again. We have ABC triangles and DEF triangles. Tandaan lang natin, we need to be careful, okay? When leveling orientation is different. Kasi kapag magkakabaliktad yan, ibig sabihin, hindi sila magiging equal, okay? So, next one is the SAS or the side angle side rule. Two triangles are congruent if two matching sides have equal length and the angle and between these two angle sides is the same. Okay? So, masasabi natin na SAS or side angle side rule siya kapag or two triangles ay kapag yung two sides niya are equal in length. Then, meron silang these two sides are the same and meron silang angle na parehas din. Okay? So, meron isang angle na parehas. If we label the side as S, okay, and the angle as A, then the pattern as we trace around the triangle is side angle side or SAS. We have another one, AAS-Angle side rule. Two triangles are congruent if two matching angles are equal. Okay, two matching angles are equal and one matching side is the same length in both triangles. Okay, two matching angles are equal. So, meron siyang dalawang angles na parehas and side na both are the same length. So, gaya ng example natin, we have 5 cm, 5 cm, then two angles are equal, 65 and 40 degrees. If we label the side as AS and the angle as A, then the pattern as we trace around the triangle is angle side or AAS. Next one, RHS for right triangles. Two right-angled triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one matching side are equal in length. They also have a 90-degree angle equal. Okay, gaya nakita natin na triangles in the right side and the left side. We have the green and the blue triangle. So 10, pareha sila ng measure. So they are right, of course, right triangle. Meron silang right angle, then meron silang dalawang match na measure. This rule works because of the Pythagoras for 90 degrees triangle means that the missing side lengths are equal. So really SSSS. Okay, so we have the congruency rules. So these are the congruency rules. 3 sides equal. We have SSS, 2 sides and the included angle are equal. SAS, 2 angles and any matching side equal. AAS and right angle hypotenuse in the side or RHS. Okay, so and the examples, figures. Congruent triangles. Example number 1. By identifying matching items, prove the triangles are congruent. So, i-prove natin kung ang triangles are congruent. So, as we observe in the left and the right side triangle, we have the red triangle in the right side and the blue triangle in the left side. So they are, as you observe, they are the same in length or measures, 3 cm, 9 cm, and 10 cm. Okay, so AB is equal to, so saan siya dyan equal? So AB, we have the side AB, 9 cm. So yes, XZ. Okay, and BC as well. BC is ZY is equal to ZY, then AC is equal to XY. Okay? So, yan ang sagot. So, AZ or AB is equal to XZ by corresponding equal sides. BC is equal to ZY by corresponding equal sides. AC is equal to XY by corresponding equal side. Also, therefore, the triangle ABC is equally congruent to triangle XYZ by what? SSS rule. Example number 2. By identifying the matching items, prove the triangles are congruent. We have again 2 triangles. We have the green in the left side and the right side. We have the pink triangle. Okay, so as we observe, meron siyang markings. So AB is equal to, yes, isn't it PQ? QR? Okay, so that's PQ. And of course, angle B is equal to what? BC is equal to what? Okay, answer. So, AB is equal to PQ, okay, by corresponding equal sides. Angle P is equal to angle Q by corresponding angles. BC is equal to QR by corresponding equal sides. Therefore, the triangle ABC is equally congruent to triangle PQR by SAS rule or side angle side rule. Another one, we have example number 3. By identifying the margin times, prove the triangles are congruent. Again, we have 2 triangles, blue in the left side and the pink or violet in the right side. Okay, so angle A is equal to what? Angle C is equal to what? And AC is equal to what? Okay, answer, we have angle A is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle R, AC is equal to VR. Okay? So, by corresponding equal side. Therefore, the triangle ABC is equally congruent to triangle PQR by AAS rule or angle side. Okay, the next one, congruent triangles. Example number 4, AB is parallel to DC. Okay, we have the, as you observe, 2 triangles pa rin yan sila. So, AB, the side or AB is parallel to DC. Okay, as we observe, yung dalawang line na yan, parallel sila, AB pati DC, is the midpoint of DB. Okay, M is the midpoint of DB. Then, AM is equal to CM by proving congruent triangles. So, angle ABM is equal to angle CDM by alternate interior angles. So, ang tawag dyan, alternate interior angles. And angle BEM or BAM is equal to angle DCM by alternate interior angles again. So triangles ABM is equally congruent to triangle CDM are congruent by what? AAS or angle side. Therefore, AM is equal to CM. The order of the lettering is important when naming congruent triangles. Tandaan natin na yung order ng lettering or yung pagla-label natin using lettering ay kailangan be careful tayo. So, it would be wrong in the example to say that the triangle ABM and DCM are congruent. So, kapag mabaliktad yung mga letters na yan, therefore, magiging mali yung sagot. Okay, or wrong? So, congruent triangle example number 5. In the diagram, PQRS is a parallelogram with opposite side parallel. Prove that PQ is equal to RS and that PS is equal to RQ. So, as you observe in the parallelogram, we have two triangles equal, and we are going to prove that the PQ is equal to RS. Okay, then PS is equal to RQ. Triangles PQRN, triangle RSP, both contain side PR, yan sa gitna, diagonal. Okay, so then angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ, alternate interior angles. Angle PRQ is equal to angle RPS by alternate interior angles. Again, the triangles PQR and RSP are congruent by what? Angle side rule. Therefore, PQ, okay, PQ is equal to RS and PS is equal to RQ. Okay, so that's it. I hope nagkaroon tayo ng mga basic concept or basic learning about the concept or ideas about the congruent triangles. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.